Panda Mechanical Co Limited, approved by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China to produce kinds of semi-trailer and commercial vehicle. After over 20 years development, Panda has become an automobile enterprise which has the ability of vehicle design, researching and creating, producing and selling. The company now covers an area of 290,000 square meters. Total assets of USD 60 million, with 530 employees. Panda has first-class CNC cutting machine, automatic welding machine, large batching machine, puzzle machine, canning machine, tank automatic welding machine, whole vehicle passing top shot blasting machine, Switzerland four-wheel alignment and other production and kinds of testing equipment. Till now, Panda brand supplies cement bulker, liquid tanker, gas tanker, dump trailer, cargo trailer and port trailer, etc. 9 series, 300 kinds of products. Serviced over 80 countries, including Africa, Middle East, Middle Asia, Southeast Asia, South America. Established 30 service points in 25 countries of our main market. Panda brand consists of Chinese characteristic Pan and De. Pan means big mountain made of hard stones. De means arrive destination successfully. So Panda means our hard stone quality helps clients' business going to everywhere successfully. Hope our Panda Mech become another symbol of China like Panda animal. Well known in the world, Panda Mechanical will try our best to support our cooperators building common future.